Hello everyone. Wanted to bring up an issue that I've had well over 120 plus emails, texts, and phone calls on, is when people are cleaning the FPC. I'm going to go ahead and do it. They're letting the trigger go forward, and then they're putting the bolt and everything in here and trying to put it together, and they're not being able to operate or drop the bolt the way it should. So let me show you. I've had this 5 times in the past 2 days. If the trigger goes forward because you didn't have this on safe, you have to get in there, get to the trigger and push it all the way back to cock it. And then you can put the bolt and everything back. But let me explain a couple of things because I've seen a few different issues. This piece right here, your charging handle, needs to stay right here first. It doesn't go on later. It goes on first. And then you can put your bolt back in there. Let me do this. There we go. Got it seated. The important thing, this is another issue. Right here in this bolt, there's a hole there. This pin right here, let me get that lined up. This pin will go right in there, and then you can, there we go, send everything forward, put your spring back in it, your buffer plug, and then the plug pin, and then you can sit here and function check it. But if you are having problems dropping the bolt, make sure the trigger didn't go forward. I would say 60 of those emails, that's exactly what happened. Is the trigger went forward, it got fired. Or not fired, but activated to where it went forward. You will have to get in there. A lot of males don't have small fingers, so they can't get in there. Get you a screwdriver or something, but you have to cock that trigger all the way to the back before you put it together. And make sure, number 2, that was number 1. And number 2 problems, make sure this handle, your charging handle, goes up first before you put any of this. And the third problem, which is about 10 times, is make sure that pin gets in there. You can't see it here because it's in there. And I'm going to show you the number 4 problem. There we go. Number 4 problem is this. Let me go way over here. This is a simple fix. And right here. Empty. People are doing this, going, I can't drop the bolt. The bolt won't work. I've had about 10 times people didn't take the mag out before they do that, because obviously an empty mag will stop your bolt from going forward. So there's the 4 problems I've been seeing over the past couple months. Trigger going forward, when they rebuild it, it has to be cocked. Charging handle goes on first before any of this. It needs to sit up here. The pin inside the bolt needs to be put in there. And then when you go to dry fire or activate this or function check it, whatever you want to call it, make sure your empty mags are out of here or that bolt's not going to go forward. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll help you out. Take care and have a good one. Good night.